Hi, I'm Gilberto Lagarda, and I'm going to talk about the materials we use in the project and the electrical diagram. Here we have the materials. As we can see in the red laser, the red light, one of the materials we had was a QTR8A module sensor. We use only one. A micro reductor, a crazy wheel, a battery of 9.8 volts in 2200 milliamperes, a TV6612 FNG controller, and microcontroller. We use the SP32. We call it Dremel, but it's like a little drill. Copper plate, 10 centimeters. Resistors, switch the two phases. Voltage regulator, we use the model LM341T. Acetona, ferric acid for the plates, and acetato and acautine. Same for the plates. As we can see here, this is the electric diagram. In the left side, here we can see the switch that we talked earlier, the two phases. This is one phase, and this is the second phase, which is this one we use. And here we're gonna see all the electric diagram. It's a little not too much of what we're using, because here we only have the controller of the electric part, where we can turn it on and off. Here we have the SP32, the microcontroller, where we have all the programmation, and the TV6612, where we control all the two motors that we have, the left and right. And this is the final plate we're using when we are connecting and soldering all the materials and things that we're using right now.
Hello, yours truly Ricardo will explain the simulation of the design. To start, the rescue robot, a sketch was first made taking about how the structure will be made, considering all the requirements such as the dimensions. But to more explain exact, I made a design that I will show you below. This is design. Uh, this of this this is a robot, and it has two platforms. In the lower part, we find the electrical components such as controller, driver, and Arduino, and sensor, and the motors coupled with tires that will make the transmission of the car. These are attached with a fixture so that they remain static. Fixture to fixtures. Okay. We also add a well with valve for fluid movement to make short turns. Rueda loca. Okay. On the upper floor, for the battery will go, which will give energy to the car so that it works, and that will be all about the design of the robot and the accessories that components. Thank you for your invitation. I am finished.
Hello, I will talk about the frontal panel of our project. Here we have the parameters for the camera, uh, and this com is for the communication with the camera and our programmation. This button is from connect the camera, and this is going to tell us if the camera is connected or disconnected. In the menu, and this part, it's going to show us the image of the camera in live on streaming, and we and when we put this button to capture, the image will be captured, and, and the program is going to tell us the people and the obstacles to pass in the map. And later, when we have the obstacles and the people to rescue, um, we have to send the parameter for the from the road, and with this button we want to send it. This is from turn on the motors and stop it, and with this button we to calibrate the sensors from the road. Here we have the information for the points of view from the camera, and here from the sensors.